Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Telegram verification code not received in 2026. The first thing that you can try and do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and also toggle airplane mode on and off on your device and try resending the verification code. The other thing that you can do is check that your details that you are entering are correct. The other thing that you can do is head over to messages on your device, tap on your profile at the top right of your screen and check your spam and blocked. Make sure that the verification code has not ended up here. You can do the same for your email as well. Simply open up the email app on your device. Once you've opened up the email app, simply tap on the three lines at the top left of the screen, after which you can scroll down to find spam and make sure that the email has not landed up here. Email has landed up here. One other thing that you can do is head over to Telegram and then if you've tried to get a code too many times, you'll have to wait for 24 to 48 hours before trying again, and this time you can try receiving a call rather than using a text or your email. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.